Welcome back to the IT Boss YouTube channel, and I hope you're all doing very well. As you can see on your screens, I have a printer in front of me, or a photocopier in front of me, and then the name of this printer is Canon IR2530i. That's the printer. That's the name of the printer that you guys are seeing on your screens. So the reason why I'm showing you this printer is because it has encountered a problem. It has encountered let's say a software problem. So as you can see on your screen, this printer is showing an error. As you can see, it is showing an error on the screen, as you can see on your screens. And then I wanted to show you guys how you can solve this kind of problem if you are using this kind of printer, which is the Canon IR2530i, or any of the Canon's image runner printers. I can understand me. So if you encounter this kind of problem, how you are going to solve this kind of issue. So without wasting much ado, let's begin with how you can solve this kind of problem, and then continue with your printing and all the stuff. So as I said earlier, the name of this printer is Canon, as you can see. And then this is also the model of the printer or copier. I understand me. But you see, you can also do this steps for any of the image runners or the Canon image runners model. I understand me, because with this copier we have different models, and it comes to the Canon printers. I understand me. So you can encounter this same problem, and I'm going to show you how you can solve this kind of problem. So let me show you how you can resolve this kind of problem. The first thing that you're going to do is to click on this you're going to click on this hash button over here. So I'll click on it, and then I'll click on 28, and then click on this hash again, which will then bring me to this page or this menu. Then I'll click on the left button. And then this is where you go. When you click on the left button, this is what you're looking for, the clear. You're looking for this clear over here. Then when we reach this clear, then you're going to click on OK. Sorry. This is the option that you're looking for under this menu, the clear. Then when you go to clear, then you click on OK. And as you can see under clear, we also have other options under the clear menu. Then you click on the left button again. Then you stop at this menu under the clear, which is engine. Then you click on OK, and then OK again. I understand me. So after this, the only thing that you need to do is just to switch off your printer, or switch off the printer, and then turn it back on again. You turn it back on again. So let's wait for a few minutes, and see. Let's wait for a few minutes and see. Let's wait for a few minutes and see.